present your business presentation. All yours, Karina.
Thank you so much, friends. Thank you so much, Pradeep ji. So, good evening, Sampar, Maharana Pratap Sampar. I hope you are all doing good. Today I am here to give my business presentation. Okay. Myself, Karina Motiani. I am an entrepreneur and director of Pink Petals Events Company. Why I chose this field? Hold on, sir. Why I chose this field? Because my skills are into planning, management, and creativity. So this is how I chose this field, and I like celebrating and creating beautiful memories. So this is why my tagline is "Add beautiful, add beauty to your memories." So what service are we offering? So we are into wedding events. We plan wedding events, corporate events. We also give plan baby birthday and baby shower, housewarming party. We also provide specific services like decor services, anchor, and photographer, choreographer, mehndi artist, makeup artist, and now we are also organizing online event as well. So for any queries, do connect me. Okay, event organized by my company. Next slide, please. Yeah, this was the event organized by me and Alkaji's surprise birthday party from her family members. And Alkaji was very happy and to see her surprise birthday party. So these are some of the images I have given. So you all can see. Next slide, please. Yeah, these are some of my services that I've given. Okay, next. Yeah, next. Yeah, this was also a referral from Alkaji, and this is one of my client who was happy with my work. So you all can see this is also one of the birthday event I did. Next. Okay, yes, we also provide festival planning also. So this is the festival event I did by for Sampark. This was on occasion of Makar Sankranti, and Sampark had organized, and venue was provided by our own Sampark member Manoj Kumbare ji. And and the event was full of entertainment, full of fun and games, as you all remember it. Pradeep ji were also the part of it. Yeah. Next. Yeah, these are the memories we had. Yeah, next slide, please. Okay, yes, Sampark Rachna, the one of my best memories I had. I was fortunate enough to be the part of Sampark Rachna, and Mr. Nitin Rauji was invited to inaugurate the Sampark Rachna exhibition event, and almost 5,000 people attended this event, and very well-known personalities, and one of which uh, interior designer, renowned interior designer, Mrs. Ageji, who visited the event, and she was really amazed to see the creative stuff given by our Sampark members. So she was very glad to see all these creativity. Yeah, next slide, please. Yeah, as you all can see, Mr. Ma'am Age is here in the picture. Next slide, please. Okay, on the very same day of the Sampark Rachna, I had another event in the evening, and this was Valentine's special for my client. And it was really a good event. And the best part of this is I organized two events on the same day, which I feel like it is a great achievement for me. Next slide, please. Okay, this is the annual corporate event which I did for my client, and it was by IT professionals company who wanted me to plan and organize the event. And from planning to organize, it was all my services given. So you all can see, and they were really happy with my services, and they gave me 5-star ratings in my website. Yeah, this is the sum of my work. Next slide, please. Yeah, as you all can see, this Rahul ji was the one who gave me this event. So I'm always grateful to him. Next slide, please. Yeah, this event, the best part of this event is this event was held during lockdown, and the customer who approached me, the lady, she went through all my, website, my page, and then she called me, and she wanted me to give all the services and planning, and she was so happy with my work, and I gave all the services with proper safety measures and precautions. So this is really, memorable for me. Next slide, please. Okay, what are we offering? We are offering customized packages, budget friendly, full sanitization facility, excellent management skills with high precautions and safety. Now, customized package, I mean there are many clients who need specific package जिसमें उन्हें कुछ ही चीजें चाहिए होती है, बजट फ्रेंडली चाहिए होता है, उनकी बहुत से इश्यूज होते हैं. So this is the reason I have planned this package. So anybody who is in need of customized package or any of my services, please do connect me. Yeah, next slide. Okay, who all are my target clients? Interior architects, family people who are looking for any wedding services, any birthday plans, owners of hotels and restaurants, corporate sector, and HR and CEO who are looking for any services. So, guys, please do connect me and refer my services to them. Yeah, my achievements. This was I go, after a long time, I got an award from Sampark for the maximum business giver. And the next is, yeah, this is the Karan Kothari Jewelers who, there, it was really a blessed day for me. I got a call from Karan Kothari and they wanted me to, inaugurate that new diamond jewelry they were launching, and they want me to inaugurate. So this was one of the best achievement I feel I have in my life. So this is the that came into newspaper also. So you all can see my achievements as well. Next slide. Uh, yeah, during lockdown, I was so blessed that I got call from this VSS, and they wanted me to be the part of this group, and they appointed me as executive secretary of Yuva Wing at Maharashtra level. So this is also, I feel, the one of the great achievement I had. And yeah, next is the certificate is by that there was an event organized by our Sampark Sabha, and it was 21 days business boost challenge, and that was conducted by our own Anirudh sir, and it was so eye-opening, knowledgeful and amazing session. I got so much clarity in this event. I will always be grateful to Anirudh sir for this. So please, I will always say ki do attend this event. Sir is really great. So this is one of the achievement I did during lockdown. Yeah. Okay, my goals. What are my goals? My goals is to become one of the successful women entrepreneurs so that I can, inspire other women also. I want my work to go to state and national level and do big events. And I always want 25% of financial increment in my business every year. I love writing, so I want to become a blogger. I am. I also would like to become a business consultant, and best, I want expert in execution so that I can plan and do everything very well in my work. Yeah. So at the end, I will say please connect me to any of my services. any of the people who are looking for such services, and please refer my services to them. And last but not the least, keep creating beautiful memories. Thank you, Sampal.
Thank you, Karina ji. So, friends, as you can see, we have a very seasoned and experienced professional with